The woman was thrown by criminals into the bottomless depths of the ocean. To prevent her escape, they had chained a 100-kilogram iron shackle to her feet. But strangely enough, not only did the woman avoid drowning, she suddenly opened her mouth and began breathing deeply underwater. The woman was a mermaid with the power to control the tides. Moments later, having regained her mermaid abilities, the woman broke free from the 100-kilogram iron chains with her bare hands and swam toward the surface. But the criminals weren't about to let her go that easily. When the woman came to her senses again, she found herself locked inside an 8-meter deep water tank. Determined to uncover the truth behind her ability to survive in the ocean, the criminals didn't hesitate to open the floodgates. Soon, massive amounts of seawater flooded the tank, and the woman was helplessly bound by iron chains. But what the criminals never expected was that after 3 minutes, not only had the woman survived the rushing seawater, but she was actually opening her mouth and breathing freely inside the tank. To test just how powerful the woman's abilities were, one of the criminals approached the top of the tank with a gun and pulled the trigger, firing bullets directly into the water. The woman remained completely calm, simply dodging left and right with lightning speed. Not a single bullet could touch her body. The criminal suddenly realized something. He quickly loaded a fresh magazine, preparing to launch a second assault. But the woman was no longer going to submit without a fight. She opened her mouth and let out a sharp, piercing shriek. The next second, eerie ripples appeared on the water's surface. The criminal seemed to be controlled by her call, dropping his gun and jumping into the tank as if possessed, slowly moving toward the woman. The woman seized the opportunity to grab the criminal's head. By the time he realized what was happening, he could no longer breathe. And so, the criminal died in the water tank. His companions watched in shock at everything unfolding before them, unaware that they had